Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. Today I will be explain chapter number 7, Equilibrium. This is the chapter of the class 11, Chemistry, video number 104. So in this video I will be explain chapter number 7, Equilibrium. So equilibrium topic number first content is equilibrium in the physical process. But before I explain equilibrium in the physical process, but first I start, what is the equilibrium? Okay, so that is means between the phases one system is created, so we have to say equilibrium. Okay, so most of the chemical reaction occurring, and sometimes some reaction are irreversible and some reaction is reversible. So irreversible and irreversible, and in between the phases one state is created, it is known as equilibrium. So equilibrium considered in the two types of the process, physical process and chemical process. So first I discuss here equilibrium in the physical process. What is the equilibrium in the physical process? The equilibrium developed between different phases or physical properties of a substance is termed as equilibrium in the physical process. That is means different types of the phases. Okay, like solid, liquid, vapor, gases. Okay, so the equilibrium developed between the physical, different types of the phases or different types of the physical properties we have to consider as the equilibrium in the physical process. Okay, then this is the defined. Again I say the equilibrium developed between the different phases or physical properties of a substance. It is termed as the equilibrium in the physical process. Next, second is general character. General characteristics of the physical properties we have to consider here four. First one is measurable property. Okay, first one is measurable property. That is means at equilibrium, all the measurable properties of the system remains is constant. Then second is only in closed system. Only in closed system, that is means equilibrium attained only in closed system. Okay, any given temperature, but equilibrium only for attain only in closed system. Third is dynamic in nature. Okay, like equilibrium in the dynamic nature, that is the opposite process do not stop, but take place simultaneously with the same rate. Okay. Then fourth one is constant value, like melting point and concentration. Okay, so equilibrium represent as a parameter. So, but parameter stays different values, but here in equilibrium always constant, like melting point is constant, concentration of the solution constant, but at the end product and reacting concentration ratio are the constant at the temperature, given temperature. Clear? And then the magnitudes of these parameters show the extent of the physical properties and physical pressure, but it has a procedure before the reaching the equilibrium. Okay. Next topic is example. Example here consider here 4 and 5th. Okay. First consider is as an equilibrium. That is as solid and liquid equilibrium. Solid convert into the liquid. So solid liquid equilibrium, that is this is the water solid. Okay. So solid convert into the liquid. So liquid convert into the solid at the given temperature. Okay. So here this is the equilibrium state. Equilibrium state represent as a what types of the arrow? Here you see half arrow upper and downside upper arrow, downside arrow. Okay. So solid convert into the liquid and equilibrium established. It is known as solid liquid equilibrium. That is clear. And here those temperature at which solid convert into the liquid, so that is known as normal melting point or normal freezing point. Okay. Next is second, liquid vapor equilibrium. Liquid vapor equilibrium, that is water liquid convert into the gas H2 gaseous state, so it is known as vaporization, and water convert into the liquid, it is known as condensation. Okay, so these are known as liquid vapor equilibrium. Then next third is solid vapor equilibrium. Solid vapor equilibrium, like when solid convert into the vapor and vapor reverse convert into the solid. So here it is equilibrium established and it is known as solid vapor equilibrium. So there are simple types of the equilibrium conversion only. First this is equilibrium known as solid in liquid. Next E is this solution is gases in liquid. If gases completely dissolute in the liquid, so it is known as gases in liquid. This solution equilibrium. And here equilibrium established, so it is known as gases in the liquid equilibrium. Like example here, CO2 gas, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas convert into the CO2 liquid. Okay, CO2 liquid gases convert into the liquid and liquid convert into the gas. Okay, so here given by the law Henry. Okay, Henry given one law on the basis of the gases converted to the liquid. So its name law is Henry. According to the Henry, mass of the gas directly proportional pressure of the substance. Okay, so whenever proportional mark we place, so KH, it is a proportionality constant. It is also known as Henry's law constant. Okay, but this is a KH only for depend on the temperature, because whenever we have to apply temperature, then convert into the gases, convert into the liquid. Okay, so this is constant only for depend upon the temperature. So temperature increase, so pressure decrease, and pressure decrease, that is means amount of the dissolved gas also decrease. Okay, so inversely proportional, amount of the dissolved gas inversely proportional of the temperature. So temperature increase, that is with pressure decrease, so amount of the dissolved gas also decrease. So there are here equilibrium in the physical process. Okay, first define, then general characters, and then examples. So different physical equilibrium at a glance. Okay, so like process and then conclusion. So we have to conclusion liquid vapor equilibrium. So conclusion, find pressure is a constant at a given temperature, and then when solid liquid equilibrium. Okay, so melting point or freezing point is constant at a given temperature. Then if solute convert into the solvent, solute solution, and like sugar convert into the sugar solution. Okay, so concentration of the solution in the solution is constant at a given temperature. And if gaseous state convert into the aqueous gas, okay, so that is means it is a constant at a temperature, given temperature. So general characteristics of the equilibrium involving physical process. First is equilibrium is a possible on a closed system at a given temperature. Second one is both the opposite process, okay, occur at the same rate, and there is dynamic but variable condition, okay, but a stable condition because equilibrium occurs. Okay, then third conclusion character is all measurable properties of the system remains constant. Then fourth, when equilibrium is attained for a physical process, so it is a characterized by a constant value of its parameters of the given temperature, and then if the magnitude of this quantity is given, so the magnitude of the such quantity like melting point, concentration, amount of the reactant and product, okay, so it is the indicate at any stage indicate the extent to the which the reaction has proceeded before the reaching in the equilibrium. Okay, so equilibrium in the chemical process, so I will be explain. Next one is equilibrium in the chemical process. Okay, but before that explaining, I have to say what is the chemical process? That is this chemical process, that is the reactant completely change into the product. But in case of the reversible reaction, when the concentration of the reactant and product do not change with the time, so it is a say the reaction is called in the state of the chemical equilibrium. Okay, so in this way, here you see, we have to plot the graph between the concentration and time. Okay, so we plot the graph between the concentration and time. So reactant concentration according to the time decrease and product concentration increase according to the time. But between the reactant and product, equilibrium state is developed. Okay, so equilibrium between the reactant and product attained only whenever chemical process is complete. Okay, but due to the time, okay, during the time reactant concentration decrease and product concentration increase. But with that time, no changes in the reactant and the product. So it is known as chemical process, but in between attain in equilibrium. Then types of the chemical processes. So there are two types of the chemical process. Here considered homogeneous and second one is heterogeneous. What is the homogeneous chemical process? Here you see hydrogen gas and iodine gas. Okay, convert into the HI gas, but both are in same phase. Here gaseous state and here in product also gaseous state, and in between equilibrium state established. Okay, so reactant and product state are similar. Okay, it is known as homogeneous chemical process. But in heterogeneous chemical process, solid convert into the other state. Like here you see MgCO3 solid. Reactant and product are in different phase. So magnesium carbonate solid and convert into the magnesium oxide solid and CO2 gas. Okay, so reactant convert into the another state. So it is known as heterogeneous equilibrium. So there are two types of the equilibrium, homogeneous and heterogeneous equilibrium. So if all the reactant and product of an equilibrium are in the same phase, it is known as homogeneous equilibrium. And heterogeneous equilibrium, if all the reactant and products of an equilibrium reaction are not in the same phase, that is different phase, so it is known as heterogeneous equilibrium. Okay, so there are two types of the equilibrium. So homogeneous example like hydrogen gas react with the iodine gas, so convert into the hydrogen iodide gas. Okay, so both reactant and product are in the same phase. Here you see all are gaseous. But in heterogeneous, magnesium carbonate solid convert into the magnesium oxide solid and CO2 gas. Here reacting solid state and product one solid and one gas. So different phase. All reacting and products are in different phase, so it is known as heterogeneous equilibrium. Okay, so generally characteristics of the chemical equilibrium different from the physical process. Okay, so here in chemical equilibrium in a given temperature, measurable properties like pressure, concentration and density or color remains constant, and then chemical equilibrium can be attained from the either side. Okay, then chemical equilibrium remains unaffected. Reaction occur in the presence of like any catalyst we have to use. Okay, so then equilibrium can be attained in the lesser than by the rate of the by the use of the catalyst. Okay, and then whenever chemical equilibrium established, so not a effect on the reactant or product. That is means reaction does not stop, but continues in the both of direction, forward and backward direction. Okay, and magnitude of the such quantities like melting point, okay, and pressure. Okay, so the extent to the which the reactant proceed before reaching the equilibrium. So there are main characters of the chemical equilibrium. So this is the main difference of the physical equilibrium, physical process, and in chemical process. Okay, so equilibrium in the chemical process as a dynamic process, because reacting convert into the product. Here you see